Bonsai is a beautiful and rewarding art form that has been practiced for centuries. It involves cultivating and shaping miniature trees in containers, creating a miniature representation of nature. For beginners, choosing the right bonsai can be challenging, as there are many varieties to choose from. In this video, we will explore some of the best trees for beginners. And please don't forget to subscribe for more. The Chinese Elm is one of the most popular bonsai trees for beginners. It is hard, easy to care for, and can adapt to a wide range of conditions. It is also forgiving of beginner mistakes, making it a great choice for those just starting out. The Ficus is another great option for beginners. It is easy to care for and can be grown both indoors and outdoors. It is also very forgiving, making it a good choice for those who are new to bonsai. The Japanese maple is a beautiful and elegant bonsai tree that is perfect for beginners. It has stunning foliage that changes throughout the seasons and is relatively easy to care for. However, it requires a bit more attention than the other varieties, so beginners should be prepared to devote some time to its care. A juniper is a hardy bonsai tree that is very easy to care for. It is also very forgiving, making it a great choice for beginners. It has a unique, sculptural appearance that makes it a favourite among bonsai enthusiasts. Pine bonsai trees are a bit more challenging than the varieties, but they're still a great option for beginners who are up for the challenge. They require a bit more attention and care than other bonsai trees, but they're also very rewarding. When choosing a bonsai tree for beginners, it is important to consider your own level of experience and the amount of time and effort you are willing to devote to its care. Some varieties are more forgiving than others, and some require more attention and care. By choosing the right bonsai tree for your skill level and preferences, you can enjoy the beauty and rewards of this ancient art form for years to come. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more.